In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create a text behind object effect in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. First, hold the Alt key and drag the clip upward to duplicate it. Then, head over to the color page. Open the Window tab and select the pen icon. Carefully draw a mask around your subject, making sure to outline it as precisely as possible. Now go to the tracker panel and hit track forward and reverse. This will make sure your mask follows the movement automatically. Next, in the node graph, right-click and select Add Alpha Output. Connect the blue dot from your mask node to the blue alpha output dot. This step makes the background transparent, keeping only your mask subject. Go back to the edit page and drag your duplicated clip to the upper track. Head over to Effects Titles, then drag and drop a text plus title between the masked clip and the original clip. Open the Inspector panel, go to Video, and start customizing. Change the text, adjust the color, font, and size, and use the transform controls to position the text perfectly behind your subject. Finally, let's fine-tune the mask. Return to the color page. Select Window and adjust the softness settings to make everything blend smoothly. And that's it! Your video now has a clean text behind object effect.